I really thought this was gonna be one of those healthy desserts I would make once and then completely forget about later. But now I keep making it because I like knowing there's a jar of it waiting in the fridge when I want something sweet and healthy. And honestly, the tofu part barely even crosses my mind anymore. Everything goes into one blender. Add 300 grams of silken tofu along with cacao powder, salt, vanilla extract, melted dark chocolate, soft dates, and about 5 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. And if your dates feel firm, soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes first because the tiny chewy date bits completely ruin the smooth texture. Now blend everything until smooth and creamy. At first, it honestly looks kind of questionable, like aggressively not pudding. But keep blending because after another minute or so, the mixture suddenly turns darker, smoother, and glossy. Even the blender sounds smoother once everything finally smooths out. Now add the instant coffee and blend one more time until completely silky and smooth. And the coffee doesn't really make it taste like coffee. It just makes the chocolate taste deeper once the pudding gets cold. This is usually the point where I accidentally keep eating spoonfuls straight out of the blender pretending I'm still checking the flavor. Pour the pudding into transparent serving glasses or dessert cups. Cover the glasses and chill them in the fridge for at least 2 hours until the pudding thickens completely. If it feels too thick to blend properly, add another small splash of milk. You want it thick and creamy but still smooth enough to pour easily later. Right before serving, dust the pudding with some unsweetened cacao powder, add some shaved dark chocolate, and top with some sliced strawberries or any berries of your choice. And after a few bites, it suddenly feels rich enough that the tiny spoonfuls feel completely enough. And honestly, this is where the whole thing changes. Right after blending, it already tasted so good, but cold, completely different. The texture firms up, the chocolate flavor gets deeper, and the spoon drags through it almost like soft chocolate ganache. Even the smell when you open the jar later reminds me a little of brownie batter somehow. The first time I made this, I pulled a spoon through it after chilling and just stopped for a second because suddenly it looked like actual chocolate pudding. Not the healthy version of pudding either, just cold, thick, really chocolatey pudding. If you like cozy homemade desserts like this that somehow disappear from the fridge overnight, subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel because there are a lot more recipes like this coming soon. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.